Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about find the area. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the area between the curve and the x-axis. So we know that x-axis that is about y equals to number 0. And now we need to find the intersection between this one and this one. So if we find the solution, we have x equals to number 1, x equals to negative number 2, and x equals to positive number 5. Next, we need to draw the table to find the sign of this function in here. So we have negative number 2, I will put in here, number 1 in here, and number 5 in here. So we know that the coefficient of the highest power that is about positive number 1, because we have number 1, and number 1 in here. If we multiply together, you got positive number 1, and positive number 1 is greater than number 0. So the sign of this one in here, that should be about positive. Then when we go through to number 5, from here, this one you got negative, go here to here, we have positive and negative. But on the question, they want to find the area from negative number 2 to number 4. So negative number 2 in here, number 4 in here. So that means from negative number 2 to positive number 1, that is about positive of y. From number 1 to number 4, that is about negative. So in this situation, we can put the integration from negative number 2 to positive number 1, and we put the function. Go in here. So from number 1 to number 4, we put the negative sign here, because negative with the negative, we have positive. Next, we need to expand s minus 1, s plus number 2, s minus number 5. That should be like this. So that should be like this. Now, we have the formula to do this integration. So we put number 3 gone here. So 3 plus 1, we have number 4. And we have s to the power of 4 over number 4. The next one, that is about number 3. The next one, we have number 2. And the next one, that is about s. So we put the bounds from negative number 2 to number 1. So we put number 1 go in here. Negative number 2 whole here. And this one, we have 99 over number 4. And the next one, that is about 171 over number 4. So we combine two values in here, and we have 135 over number 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.